Hi, it's Nikki Golly again, your poop lady, for your high energy tip number 2. Hair up for a reason today. We're going to talk about movement. Because when you move, your energy increases, especially when we're sitting at our desk for long periods of time, writing notes, absorbing all the amazingness that Alexis has dropped on us for the last day. Today is going to be no different. I know it's going to be fantastic. But I kind of want to have a little fun. So instead of just moving, anything that you can do, and I know I talked about, if you saw me live on the panel, talking about anything you can do to get your body out of this position. So stretch, how about let's do some morning stretches, because let's have some fun. What I want to do is I want to make little tally marks every time Alexis says marketing. You know it's going to be a few. And when she says marketing, we'll make a little tally mark on our paper, we'll make a whole little notebook of how many tally marks we do. And then when we get to a break, we're either going to do squats or jumping jacks, depending on what you need to do today, or a combination of both. One break we'll do squats, next break we'll do jumping jacks. Let's have some fun, get some blood flow so that brain works, that you can keep engaging, keep using all that information, and have a little fun while doing it. You ready for the challenge? Let's do it.